day, sir, madam. My name is Luminda Lorenzo Tabulog from Philippines, and I am 34 years old, married to Jason Tabulog, and I have 2 children. I am high school graduate. About my working experience as a domestic helper here in Philippines, my duties and responsibilities are cleaning house, car washing, washing dishes, washing clothes, and ironing clothes, and also marketing. Sir, madam, I am willing to learn your culture and how to cook your Chinese foods and how to speak your languages. And also, madam, sir, I am willing to take care and our elderly. I will give them their nutritious foods, giving them their vitamins, and assisting them for their checkup. And I also assist them for take a bath and changing their clothes every day. I will treat them, loving them as my own parents. Sir, madam, my characteristics are honesty, responsible, flexible, loyal, and hardworking person. Please choose me, sir, madam, as your domestic helper because I need this job to give the needs of my children and my family. I will promise to do my duties and responsibilities, and I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank